Hi everyone, I've got this exclusive pictures and video from Haya of the new FV4005 SPUD from the Tank Museum that's being rebuilt by Mr. Hughes as we speak and is appearing in Tankfest. It's got a fully workable gun lock for the 183mm gun. It's being slightly redesigned to make it even better. And yeah, the details on it look really good and it comes in kit form and ready to run. I'll let Andrew explain the gun lock.
This one movable, yeah, and this heart opens like that, and this there's a hole to put in like that. This up like that, and then lock the barrel. Yeah, so. One, you don't need unclick this one, unclick, fold, that, unclick this one, fold like that, and then this one, click back in, like this. So this is totally movable, yeah.
The details on the new turret look really quite good. It's got two openable hatches for the commander and, I suppose, gunner. Also the sliding hatch at the back. And they think, when they've been restoring this, that there was a Browning machine gun mount on the top too. Here's the rear door, which all opens. It's got the little seat, if you can see as well. And it's also got the spade at the back for recoil. And also the winch. So it looks really cool. And here's some running video of it. It comes with smoke and flash, but it's not flashing at the minute because Andrew's not fitted the flash bulb yet in the barrel because it's the first one that they've had. It's the presumed prototype, but like when it comes built or as a kit, it will have all of that with it.
Recall.
And as you can see, as it's a Clarke board, it has servo recoil. And I'm pretty much sure you could add servo elevation with it as well, but I think it's got an elevation unit in it, which is perfectly fine, does the job. So all in all, this will be a nice addition to the Haya range. As I say, it comes in kit form, and the kit is $199.99, which is the turret, the spade, and the other bits and detail stuff that you need to make it into an FV4005 from the Mark3 chassis, or it comes ready to run with the Clarke TK50 and flysky 10 channel system, you know, with full proper Centurion sounds, and the ready to run costs £799.99 fully built. Haya will be at the Tank Museum at Tankfest displaying their model range and their new FV4005 if you want to go and say hello to Andrew and ask him anything about it. So just remember, it's smoke and sound, flash, TK50, 10 channel for the ready to run, and it comes in a kit. Have a nice weekend.